Hi third graders! This is our first math lesson using the YouTube channel. Today we will be continuing our understanding of multiplication and will also be adding in division. The main lesson for today is going to be an introduction to division, and then you will have your task list and you'll also be pulled for small groups with Miss Heck. Related facts. If you remember from last week, we talked about related facts. We mainly focused on the related multiplication equations, and today we're going to be adding in the division equations just like a fact family. Last week we also talked about the commutative property of multiplication and how commutative property of multiplication and related facts are similar. For example, 6 times 4 is related to 4 times 6. This is also using the commutative property of multiplication. All we did here was we flipped our factors around. The product of 6 times 4 and 4 times 6 is 24. Six times 4 and 4 times 6 are related. Here's an array that shows 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. This array is vertical. This array is horizontal. This array shows 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your multiplication equation would be 4 times 6 equals 24. Now we're going to add in some division. 6 times 4 and 24 divided by 6 are related. Here's an array that once again shows 6 times 4 equals 24. And here's the exact same array, but this time we're going to use a division equation to represent the array. The division equation would be 24 divided by 6 equals 4. If you can see, there are 24 total red circles. You're going to divide 24 equally between the 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24 divided into 6 equal rows is 1, 2, 3, 4. Four times 6 and 24 divided by 4 are also related. Here's the array that shows 4 times 6, and your product is 24. Here's the exact same array, but this time we are going to use the division equation. There are 24 total red circles divided into 4 equal groups. So your equation would be 24 divided by 4. And if you count how many red circles are in each row, you should get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 divided by 4, your quotient is 6. Now on to some vocabulary terms. 24 in this equation is called the dividend. The dividend is the number that is being divided. It is typically the largest number. In this equation, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. The 4 is the divisor. The divisor is the number you divide by, the number of ways something needs to be divided, like equal groups or rows. And last, the 6 is the quotient. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. Let's practice. Here's an array that shows 1, 2, 3, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7, your product is 21. Here's the exact same array, but can you guess what the division equation will be? If you said 21 divided by 3 equals 7, you're correct. Once again, there are 21 red circles divided into 3 equal groups. Your quotient is 7. There should be 7 in each row. Here's another array. This one shows 4 times 5 equals 20. Here's the exact same array. Do you know what the division equation would be? If you said 20 divided by 4 equals 5, you are correct. There are 20 red circles divided into the 4 equal groups or rows, and your quotient is 5. Here's an array that shows 5 times 3, and your product is 15. Here's the same array. Do you know the division equation? If you said 15 divided by 5 equals 3, you are correct. If you notice, there are 15 red circles in this array, and there are 15 red circles in this array. There are 5 equal rows in this array, 5 equal rows in this array. If you can see, they are very much related. Now begins your task work time in small groups. You will once again be doing the error analysis in the green folders. Don't forget to write your name and take a picture. You're going to be continuing doing your addition war. Make sure you keep your voices down. Addition fluency is going to be in the red folders again. Don't forget to write your name and take a picture of this one too. Your practice book page is going to be E43. It will be located on a bookshelf or a table. After you complete this, make sure you put your name on it and you put it in your folder. The number of the day. I've moved the different tasks for number of the day out into the middle of the pod on the blue cabinets. During this time, Ms. Heck will also be pulling small groups, so please make sure you listen for your name and your group.